Today's featured car of the day is a 1965 Pontiac GTO convertible. And I'll read off the plaque that the owner has under the hood here. And it says one of 11,311 GTO convertibles built in 1965 and documented by the Pontiac Historical Society. The restoration brings the car back to an original factory configuration. It is a heavily optioned car for the era, and I drive it regularly. So WS code 389 tri-power, 360 horsepower, Muncie 4-speed with 355 positraction, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, tilt steering column, factory sports steering wheel, rally cluster, AM radio with power antenna, parchment deluxe interior, deluxe factory seat belts, locking console, code 65 factory Montero red, BF Goodrich redline tires, and Hurst wheels, a rare dealer option from 1964 through 1968, introduced at the 1965 Riverside 500 race, which is about 40 miles down the road from this cruise. And then it has the owner's names. And you'll be able to see it in the video and stop it and read it all over and everything. Now, what he doesn't mention is the car shows 11,440 miles on the odometer. Now, a lot of times when they restore them, they set the odometer back to zero if they redo the gauges, which may have happened on this one. If that's the case, then the car has 11,440 miles on it since the restoration, because the owner says he drives it regularly. The other option, it may have 111,440 miles on it. I doubt that it has 11,440 miles only, but either way, it's a super rare and a super nice car, and it was restored to a real high caliber, especially for someone that's driving it every day. But it's definitely got quite a few different options on it that you don't see. You've got a tri-power 4-speed convertible with factory air. That right there puts it in probably survivors left, probably less than 100. And as far as the number they made originally, which there's no way of telling that number, I would say probably made less than 1,000 of them with that. But that's the one, that's a surprise for the collectors too. They all want the big block, the biggest engine, the highest horsepower, 4-speed, convertible with as many options as possible. And this guy's in red, so for the collectors, they like the resale red because the red normally brings the money at the auctions. But this one was definitely a beauty, and I tried taking as many pictures as I could. It was hard to do with the crowds. These cruises really get pretty busy sometimes, especially when the weather's perfect, like it usually is in San Diego. That's where I recorded this one at my local cruise night in San Diego, California. So they did, like I said, they did a real nice job on the restoration of the car, and it's definitely got all the right options and pushes all the right buttons. That's for sure. As far as the numbers go on the GTOs, 1965 they built 75,352, and like his plaque states, 11,311 were convertibles. Now, out of the 75,000 number, 54,000 of the cars, 54,805, had the 4-barrel, 389 4-barrel engine. Only 20,547 had the tri-power from the factory. And with only 11,000 convertibles, that's about 20%, 25%. So you probably have about roughly 2,500 to 3,000 convertibles came with the tri-power from the factory. So it's pretty rare, and a lot of them didn't survive because these guys were raced at the racetracks back in the mid-60s and 70s quite a bit, and most of them were trashed and thrashed. So a lot of these cars didn't survive. But as far as the other numbers go, they made 55,722 two-door coupes and 8,319 two-door sedans, which were basically post coupes, which have the frame around the window on the doors. And a lot of those were raced for sure because they were the strongest of the hardtops. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1965 GTO convertible, the 389 with tri-power, with a factory 4-speed, factory air conditioning, and quite a few other options in red with the white interior. Filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.